Hi. Are you using QuickBooks Online and not sure if you're doing it right? Are you entering transactions into QuickBooks Online and do you really have no idea where everything is going? Well, you are not alone. QuickBooks can be a little bit challenging to get figured out at first. My name is Erin, and I'm the owner of Erin D. Petoskey Chartered Professional Accountant. And today I want to help you get started using the QuickBooks Online reconciliation feature. The reason for this is when you use the reconciliation feature, you will have a lot more trust and certainty in the numbers that your bookkeeping system is creating and producing for you. And that will help you make all around better management decisions. So, what happens is a lot of times when we get started in QuickBooks, we get really excited and we start entering a lot of data and we forget that we need to reconcile or that we need to bring our data entry to a close. And why is that important? Well, because if you're just entering data and you're not reconciling, then we as accountants, or we as whoever is looking at your reports or your data in QuickBooks, we really have no idea if what you've entered is correct. It may or it may not be. You might have entered extra transactions. You may not have entered all of the transactions. You might have entered some of the transactions wrong. And the way that we make sure that you've entered all of the transactions, that you haven't missed any, and that you've entered everything correctly, at least as far as the numbers are concerned, the way that we get certainty of that is by doing the reconciliation. So QuickBooks has a feature to help us with that, and today I want to help you get started. So, I wish I had a split screen to show you, but I don't. That would take a lot more video editing and time and energy that I don't have right now. But I really want to help you get started on this topic, so I'm going to just walk you through it. And hopefully you can open up your QuickBooks Online. This video is specifically for people who are already started in QuickBooks Online and are already feeling unsure and confused and are not using the reconciliation feature. If you haven't gotten started yet, I recommend you get some help before you get started. So this is if you're already where we are at. If you've already entered things and you're feeling unsure, then you want to open up your QuickBooks. And then you look at the top right-hand corner, you find that gear symbol, that friendly gear symbol, and then there's 4 columns of data: settings, list, tools, and your company. So the reconcile feature is halfway down the tools column, and then you'll click reconcile. It's there in between export data and budgeting. You see reconcile, and then you get a brand new window that opens up. And what do we see there? Woo, exciting. Which account do you want to reconcile? And then you see, then it says account and there's a drop down box. So there you click the account that you want to reconcile. I always recommend starting with the bank account, but also if you have credit card accounts in QuickBooks, then you definitely want to be reconciling those as well. Well, you actually have to reconcile all the accounts, all the balance sheet accounts anyway, but you want to use the reconciliation feature, at least for the bank account and the credit card. So you choose the account you want to get started on. If you haven't reconciled before, then you'll enter the beginning balance. And if you have reconciled before, then you'd see there's a beginning balance there. And then there's a place to enter the ending balance as well as the ending date. And then once you have those entered and correct, then you can click Start Reconciling. And that will take you to a new window, which I won't be getting into today, but from there you can get started with your reconciliation, comparing the computer data to your statement, your actual statement, either the printed statement or the PDF. And just a small note, if your beginning balance is wrong and you need some help with that, that is a good time to get some professional help. I could definitely help you out with that. I am a QuickBooks Online Pro advisor, and I'd be happy to help. I love helping entrepreneurs, especially entrepreneurs who use QuickBooks Online. I think it's a great program, and I love helping entrepreneurs learn to use the program better, so it helps to serve your needs more. Awesome. 5 minutes of QuickBooks. 5 minutes of QuickBooks. I hope you're still with me. I'm really glad for those of you who still are. I want to invite you over to my website now. I've created a free year-end tax preparation checklist for entrepreneurs. So I invite you to check out my website. I'll have it below in the description so you can click down there. And I look forward to connecting with you.